This is me, Edgar Roberts. Came to pick up my replacement Seaghost 130 at the FedEx dock. You can see that this is the FedEx shipping facility. I'd already opened this to inspect for damage, and as you can see, it is damaged. That is the bow of the boat, and it is stove in. I opened up the stern. Didn't see any damage on the stern, but as you can see, it is clearly damaged. Here's the stern of the bow of the boat again, excuse me. Bow of the boat. So Alex, I appreciate your help. Really disappointed to see this. I know it's not Vibe's fault, but I don't know what to do. I'm gonna refuse this one, not accept it, and I will be in touch with you shortly.